Google display ads are one of the biggest sources of traffic. They're all over the world, all over the internet. One of the best places to increase your business. I'm going to be taking you on my computer right here and showing you what they are and even giving you a few pointers on how you can use them in your business to increase leads and sales. So Google display ads, it's easier if I just show you what they are. So I'm just going to do a random search on Google. I just did best food in Los Angeles, and I brought up, just a random site, The Infatuation, First Timer's Guide to Eating in LA. So if we look here, we'll see, can you spot the Google display ad already? Okay, check this out. Right here is a Google display ad. You see that? There's a Google display ad. There's a Google display ad. Sorry, this is called a leaderboard. Leaderboard, okay? And leaderboards are common. They don't work, okay? When people talk about banner blindness, this is one of the ad units which doesn't work. It's 728 by 90 pixel count. Doesn't work very well. This is called a square rectangle or a medium rectangle. It's 300 by 250, and these work very good, okay? Thumbs up on this one in terms of sizes. Now, if we scroll down, we might even see more ads. Let's see if we can see any more ads here. Nope, no more ads here. Now, I also did a search for just the best baby diapers as well, and I brought up the first couple sites. Here is another example of a Google display ad. See right here, again, a medium rectangle. And this is another ad, and you can click this. You can see more information on the ads themselves. Okay, here we have another ad that is a Google display ad right here, Xfinity, and another ad right here from GoDaddy. You can always click these things. See this little icon which says ad choices. Let me try to zoom in here. Okay, right here, see this ad choices. You can click that and it can bring up more information and it'll show you how Google shows your ad, right? So it says the reason why I'm seeing this ad is I either visited the person's website or app, or the time of day and my general location. So they're targeting me based on the time, the location, and the fact that I visited their site. So it's kind of a remarketing type of ad. Other things we can do are we can click this and we can click X right here. See this X button right here? I can click X and it will close the ad, and we can click that again and see why they sent it to us. But that's what Google display ads are. Very, very simple. Now, the best way if you want to do Google ads for your business, what I recommend you do is I recommend you use this ad unit, which is 300 by 250, called a medium rectangle. This is the best performing ad unit. In general, what you will see is you'll see about a 0.4% click-through rate. So really, if you show 250 ads, if you're doing well, you'll get one person to click on them. That's the way they work. Most people don't click on ads. So you have to be highly targeted if you want to do advertising with Google Display Network. Now, I don't have enough time to go over all of the ins and outs of advertising on Google Display Network, but if you want to learn more, what I suggest you do is subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And you'll also get a free course on affiliate marketing, which is what I do to make money. And you'll also get access to my free AdWords PPC training, okay, which is under free training, marketing trainings, and mini courses. And you can click right here and you can go to the training, which I will show you how to do remarketing. And you can learn how to do display ads and advertise in those units right here in this video. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you learned a lot. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos on marketing. Comment, leave me a comment below if you have any questions about this, or just if you want to say hi, or if you have any requests for future videos that you would like to see. And give this video a big fat like for just, I don't know, having a good day. See you soon.